On March 17, 2026, a total of 137 bonded laborers were rescued from a brick-kiln site in Bihar's Gayaji district. Among them were 40 men, 46 women, and 51 children, all trapped in an exploitative, advanced-based system called the debt bondage. The loan, spanning 3 generations since the mid-1980s, began with grandfathers and extended to grandchildren as well. The United Nations calls it the most prevalent form of modern slavery. India abolished bonded labor in 1975 and it is now banned across the world too. Out of the 137, 62 workers recorded their statements. But the story doesn't end with the rescue. From that evening to the next, the district administration's job was to provide the rescued workers with a crucial document called the release certificate. What was mandated to be issued within 24 hours of rescue took nearly 2 months. Hi, my name is Jyoti Yadav. I am an independent journalist, and in my latest investigation for the migration story, we bring to light this horrific case of exploitation. We followed up with Gayaji's labor superintendent Poonam Kumari multiple times over a course of a month and ultimately took the story to Secretary Labor Resources Department in Bihar, Deepak Anand. After his intervention, the labor superintendent Poonam Kumari issued the release certificates, the RCs, but they were only the Xerox copies. We followed up again, and on the second attempt, the original copies were finally handed over to the workers. In some of the cases of rescued workers, the immediate cash assistance was also given. The 3 generations of rescued laborers endured extreme hardships at the hands of a brick-kiln owner, Ramashish Prasad Yadav.
हमारा पिताजी लिया था पहले खरा तो मैंने 15,000 16,000 पैसा लिया था वो पिताजी।
दोनों भाई के बता दिए।
तो दोनों भाई हम लोग ले लिए उस पर कर्जा। हमारा तो कम से कम 12-13 साल 14 साल कम से कम काम करके हुआ।
अब 3 साल से हम 1 रुपये इसको ही नहीं लिए। 3 साल में मातरम लिए हैं, 14,000 रुपये लिए हैं, 10,000 रुपये हम लिए हैं, 4,000 रुपये हमको हेल्पमेंट लिए।
एक सरकार ने किया तो 15,000 के 30,000 सूद जोड़ा। 30,000 में ऐसा ही बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। 10,000 5,000 देता था और वैसा ही बढ़ता है अब 1,20,000 बना दिया।
आप दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ?
हाँ, दोनों पर।
This is only the beginning of a long journey of rehabilitation. Please visit the Migration Story website to read what happens before and after the rescue.
The Migration Story.